Hey guys, today I'm going to bring you some stretches you can do right from the comfort of your own home. We're going through a stressful time right now where you guys stay away from people and stay in the house more, so I figured it'd be a good idea to bring you some stretches that you can do every day. I hope these stretches really help you guys. If you have any questions, reach out. Have a great day. Hey, this Coach LT here. Hope these stretches help you. Definitely try to do these stretches every day, especially since you're home. This would be a great time to just improve your mobility, reduce a little stress, and just get to relax. So make sure you do these stretches either in the morning or at night, either way, whichever way works best for you. Just do them. The most important thing is do them. No matter when you do them, just make sure you do these stretches. Try to do them every day. Hope this helps you. And thanks to my client Vicky for the inspiration, because she actually wanted to work out twice a day. I told her, you know what, Vicky, I'll create a video with stretches. You can do this. So I'm sharing this with everyone else as well on my YouTube channel, and this will be on social media as well. So hope these stretches help you. Have any questions, definitely reach out. Have a great day.